How to fix Owlet Dream Sock not charging. If your Owlet Dream Sock isn't charging, follow these steps to troubleshoot. Inspect the charging cable. Check the cable for visible damage, such as bent pins or exposed wires. If damaged, replace the cable. Test with a different cable. Try using another compatible USB-C cable to charge the sensor. If it charges, the original cable may be faulty. Examine the base station. Ensure the base station is powered and the charging port is clean. If the station doesn't power on, it may need replacement. Reset the sensor. Remove the sensor from the sock and base station. Wait 60 seconds, then reconnect it to the base station to reset. Check charging indicators. When charging, the base station light should pulse white. When fully charged, it should be solid white. Use the app for battery status. Open the Owlet app to view the sock's battery level and charging status. Clean the charging contacts. Gently clean the sensor's charging contacts and the base station port with a dry cloth to ensure proper connection. Try a different power outlet. Plug the base station into another outlet to rule out power supply issues. That's it. Thanks for watching.